I wish God's peace and blessings be showered upon us. Decoupage actually comes from the French word découper, which means to cut out or cut from something else. Decoupage is defined as to decorate the surface of something with paper cutouts and then lacquer the paper on. As an art form, many artists have used the decoupage medium for their creative endeavors. One can select any base to create a decoupage like wood, tin, glass, ceramic, metal, fabric, terracotta. It could be done on furnitures, album covers, plates, ceramics, shelving, frame, mirrors, bottles, etc. I have used a rubber wood plate for my demonstration. I'm using sealer for base coat. Alternatively, polyurethane spray, acrylic, epoxy, resin and other lacquers can be used. The commonly used medium for decoupage is Mod Podge, which is a glue, sealer and finish all in one. Mod Podge has ingredients and properties that our regular craft glue doesn't have, and that is why Mod Podge projects that we created decades ago are still intact. I am applying colorless wood varnish after a round of fine sanding the dried sealer. Decoupage can be achieved by using any decorative material like paper, fabric, tissue paper, napkin, stickers, wrapping paper, newspaper, magazine, catalog, printed clip, and greeting card. My theme is commemoration to the slowly vanishing postage stamps. I am using decoupage glue to fix these stamps. I am also using a brayer, which is a specialized tool with a miniature rolling pin designed to help remove wrinkles, remove excess glue, and smoothen the pictures. Postage stamp is a small piece of paper issued by a post office to customers who pay postage, who then affix the stamp to the face or address side of any item of mail, an envelope, or other postal cover that they wish to send. The item is then processed by the postal system, where a postmark is made indicating date and point of origin of mailing on its left and right sides to prevent its reuse. The item is then delivered to its addressee. Stamps feature the name of the issuing nation, a denomination of its value, and often an illustration of persons, events, institution, or natural realities that symbolize the nation's traditions and values. Every stamp is printed on a piece of usually rectangular but sometimes triangular or otherwise shaped special custom-made paper whose back is glazed with self-adhesive. The Indian Post Office was established in 1837. Stamps were first introduced in the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland. On 1 May 1840, the first stamp, the penny black, became available for purchase. Asia's first adhesive stamp was Sunday Dock, was introduced in 1852. Governments issue stamps of different denominations in unequal numbers and routinely discontinue some lines and introduce others, and because of their illustrations and association with the social and political realities of the time of their issue, they are often prized for their beauty and historical significance by stamp collectors, whose study of their history and of mailing system is called philately. These stamps are a valuable means of communication, easily available anywhere to anybody. The information technology wave changed the hobby of stamp collection digital philately. The subjects found on the face of postage stamps are generally what defines a particular stamp issue to the public and are often a reason why they are saved by collectors or history enthusiasts. Graphical subjects found on postage stamps have ranged from the early portrayals of kings, queens, and presidents to later depictions of ships, birds, and satellites, famous people, historical events, comics, dinosaurs, hobbies, sports, holiday themes, and a wealth of other subjects too, numerous to the list. Artists, designers, engravers, and administrative officials are involved with the choice of subject matter and the method of printing stamps. Early stamp images were almost always produced by engraving with perforations, holograms, and embossed foil. Later, other forms of printing began to emerge, such as lithography, photogravure, intaglio, and web offset printing. Decoupage can be enhanced not only with papers and fabric, but with painting effects, gold leaf, ink embellishments, and even other mediums. I have used letter transfers and seals to create special effects. Once you're sure it is dried completely, you can apply good varnish with a few drops of liquid stainer after it dries well, and then you apply the decoupage top coat. A standard decoupage kit of materials is available in the market. You can buy them from any stationery stores. I have not mentioned any brand of the material used in this demo. Kindly choose according to your base medium, the decoupage material and the concept. Well, the decoupage post-date commemoration plague is done. If this video interests you, please explore more about pyramid decoupage and Florentine decoupage.